Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare BMW i4 versus Audi e-tron GT. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The BMW i4 M50 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a quick 3.7 seconds, offering up to 536 horsepower. However, the Audi RS e-tron GT performance is even more exhilarating, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds with an impressive 912 horsepower. Both deliver thrilling acceleration. Next, let's talk about how far these electric vehicles can take you and how fast they recharge. The BMW i4 boasts an estimated driving range of up to 318 miles on a single charge. The Audi e-tron GT is close behind, offering an estimated range of up to 300 miles. Both vehicles support rapid DC fast charging, allowing you to quickly add many miles of range during your stops. Stepping inside, both cars offer a luxurious and tech-filled experience. The BMW i4 showcases a striking curved display with its iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, providing a modern interface. The Audi e-tron GT counters with a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit and a central touchscreen. Both vehicles ensure seamless smartphone integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wrapped in high-quality interior finishes. Finally, let's consider value and our concluding thoughts. The BMW i4 starts at approximately $57,300, presenting a compelling option for performance and luxury. The Audi e-tron GT, starting around $121,000, positions itself as a more premium, high-performance grand tourer. Your choice depends on your priorities for speed, luxury, and budget. For other great deals, like those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below for links and more.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.